Welcome, Health Explorers, to a journey that will unveil the secrets to nurturing your nerves and enhancing your overall well-being. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of fats, but it's not what you might expect. We've come a long way from fearing fats, realizing that they play a vital role in our health. Fats help produce hormones, facilitate cell growth, protect our organs, and aid in nutrient absorption. They are essential for absorbing fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, K, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Today, we're going to explore the top 6 oils that promote nerve health and overall vitality. Before we delve into the oils that support nerve recovery, let's grasp the significance of choosing the right fats. The type of fat you consume plays a crucial role in the healing of peripheral nerves, which are scientifically proven to be one of the slowest healing tissues in the body. While consuming the wrong fats can hinder the healing process, healthy fats can help in the healing process. So, how do you pick healthy oils? It's not just about the health advantages, it's also about understanding the concept of the smoke point. Cooking oils have a maximum temperature when heated known as the smoke point. When the oil's smoke point is exceeded, it becomes unstable and toxic. This results in oil breakdown, oxidation, and the generation of dangerous free radicals, which can harm cells and result in chronic illness. Let's begin with the innovation of cultured oils. These oils have gained attention due to their unique production method, which involves fermentation. This results in oils rich in healthy fats with a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius. They are excellent for high-heat cooking methods such as baking, stir-frying, and high-heat cooking. Cultured oils stand out for their high monounsaturated fat content, even surpassing that of olive oil. Additionally, they contain no omega-6 fatty acids, which can have pro-inflammatory effects. Cultured oils offer a delightful combination of taste, health benefits, and versatility in the kitchen. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, often called EVOO, is a beloved staple worldwide. It is typically cold-pressed and does not undergo the refining process that regular olive oil does. Extra virgin olive oil boasts a smoke point ranging from 350 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 210 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various cooking methods. This oil is an abundant source of oleic acid, vitamin E, phytosterols, and over 30 other phenolic compounds with powerful antioxidant properties. Notably, 2 phenols, oleocanthal and oleuropein, have anti-inflammatory effects, reduce blood pressure, and inhibit LDL cholesterol oxidation. The consumption of extra virgin olive oil also supports gut microbial diversity due to its polyphenols, contributing to overall health. Further research has shown that the compounds found in olive oil may help prevent conditions like obesity, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. It's these very polyphenols that help the oil resist breakdown and oxidation when exposed to high heat. Ghee. Ghee is clarified butter made by separating butterfat from the actual milk solids. It is an excellent choice for those who are lactose intolerant as it contains no milk solids. It boasts a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius, significantly surpassing regular butter. Ghee is rich in conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, known for its potential role in fat loss. Furthermore, it contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that reduces inflammation and promotes gut health. This fatty acid reduces inflammation and promotes a healthy intestinal barrier, which keeps endotoxins out of the bloodstream. Butyrate has far-reaching health effects on both peripheral nerves and the brain. Opt for ghee sourced from grass-fed cows to ensure higher omega-3 content, as grain-fed cows tend to have a higher ratio of omega-6, which can be pro-inflammatory. Avocado oil. Avocado oil stands out for its incredibly high smoke point, reaching up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 270 degrees Celsius, when highly refined. This makes it ideal for high-heat cooking methods. Truly unrefined avocado oil has a lower smoke point, ranging from 428 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 to 250 degrees Celsius. High-quality avocado oil is characterized by its deep green color and distinct flavor. Some oils may be labeled as mild, indicating refining, so opt for extra virgin and cold-pressed varieties. Avocado oil offers a balanced fatty acid profile and numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your culinary repertoire. Virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is celebrated for its heat stability and medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. It has a smoke point ranging from 350 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Research suggests that it may aid in treating Alzheimer's disease due to its caprylic and lauric acid content. Additionally, virgin coconut oil exhibits antifungal and antibacterial properties. However, excessive consumption of coconut oil may disrupt gut microbiota and lead to endotoxin release, which can cause inflammation. To mitigate potential risks, consider supplementing with vitamin D and other supportive supplements. Mustard seed oil. Mustard seed oil is a lesser-known gem offering a balanced blend of essential fatty acids and natural antioxidants. Cold-pressed mustard seed oil has been associated with various health benefits, including heart health, improved circulation, and pain reduction caused by inflammation. Surprisingly, it has also shown promise in promoting gum health. When used correctly, mustard seed oil can be a valuable addition to your cooking repertoire. Its smoke point typically ranges from 360 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 to 230 degrees Celsius. Other beneficial oils. We won't forget the unsung heroes of healthy fats, such as flaxseed oil, hemp oil, and chia oil. Although not suitable for cooking, these oils offer fantastic health benefits when used in cold dishes. We'll highlight their omega-3 content and recommend choosing virgin and cold-pressed versions, while emphasizing the importance of refrigerating them to preserve their freshness. As we conclude our journey, remember that your health is worth every effort. By choosing the right fats, you're taking a powerful step towards nurturing your nerves and reclaiming your life. Embrace the flavors, savor the sizzle of the pan, and celebrate the joy of nourishing your body. Thank you for joining us on this quest for optimal nerve health. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and remember that your health journey is a path paved with vitality.